Healthy morning. I'm Dr. Neetu Jain from Priyas, Managing Director. Today is World Hemophilia Day, so I'm very happy to wish you a very healthy World Hemophilia Day. And you should stay healthy, stay home. So we should get involved virtually. This was the theme of this year. So today we are going to practice accordingly. And staying home, how you can practice. I'm very happy and fortunate to let you know that we are involved with Hemophilia Society because of Dr. Suresh Hanagwadi, President of Hemophilia Karnataka, Davangere chapter. And then we have done lot of hemophilia camps along with his guidance, and we are seeing the immense result and the way he gets involved with hemophilia. So we also got inspired and we have done lot of hemophilia programs. So today we are going to give you very simple tips which you can practice at home. First is water related tip. According to Nature Cure in You, the whole body is made of 70% water. So if you hydrate yourself enough, that will help you to manage your pain. In case, if you drink enough water, there are chances that you will avoid maximum bleeding episode also or minimize it. So drink water, but how you should drink, that is very important. So 3 to 4 liter water per day. If person is of more than his age of 18, so then 3 to 5 liters water, and very slowly you have to drink water, sip by sip, as you are eating water, so that you make sure. And then early in the morning you should drink water more. Before 9 you should drink water. If you get up, let's say 6:37, so in 2.5 hours you should eat water more and more. So that will help you a lot. So early in the morning you have to eat water, and as whole day whenever you drink, you have to drink it sip by sip. The first tip. Second tip, 3-4 times in a day you drink warm water with 5 drops of lime in it and quarter spoon ginger in it. Quarter spoon, that means approximately you can have 5 drops of ginger juice in it and pinch of pepper in it. So this decoction you drink it 3 to 4 times in a day. I'll repeat the decoction. Please make sure. First is 200 ml water, warm water, 200 ml water, warm water, and along with that 5 drops of lemon juice fresh, and 5 drops of ginger juice and pinch of pepper. So this decoction you mix it. Whenever you are drinking, please make it instantly and drink it slowly. This is second tip. So that will help you to increase your blood circulation or keep the blood circulation in proper balance. And then third tip, which we are going to give you, which you can practice anytime and anywhere. So that one is breathing practice with a bigger smile. So you have to do breathe in, breathe out whenever is needed. In the sense, if you practice 4 to 6 times in a day is better. So then you have to look up and do breathe in, breathe out 5 times, look straight and do breathe in, breathe out 5 times, and look down and do breathe in, breathe out 5 times. So I can literally demonstrate so you can observe and understand and practice. So please watch. So like this is known as one set. So please practice this early in the morning 5 times. So what we have demonstrated is one set. And after relaxation you can repeat it 5 times. And then one time in the morning, early in the morning as you get up. And after that, before your lunch, one set. And before your dinner, one set. As you go to bed, before that you please practice 5 times. And then that way you practice, that will help you a lot. And then next practice is knee practice which you can for your mobile joint to keep it strong and mobile. So then if you have any problem where your muscles are fatigued, so you can practice and make them strong. So that is fourth practice is your knee joint and fifth practice is your ankle joint. So which you can see and practice. First you observe properly and then practice. Now we are going to show you how you should do knee practices like joint movement. Each joint should be done very carefully, and as you know in hemophilia we strongly follow a person should do according to the capacity. So now as you breathe in, you move knee upwards and then very slowly and breathe out and leave it downwards. And then if you do it alternate, it's better. So you will get the faster result. And like this you can do 3 times at a time, 5 times, 7 times and 10 times. And according to the need, you may repeat daytime 2 to 4 times minimum. So that will give you superb results. So this is how you should do knee practices. Breathe in, your knee should come upwards slowly and slightly. And then breathe out, it should go downwards. And then after that each practice you should relax. So thoroughly after that please relax. And while practicing and relaxing, make sure that you have double smile on your face. And then now after the relaxation you will go for the next practice, ankle joint. So that also you have to do it with the breathing. So ankle joint you have to do both simultaneously. So alternate right, left and then breathe in, breathe out simultaneously. Here you have to set the rhythm of the breathing and the action and synchronize both and then work happily 3 times, 5 times, 7 times or 10 times according to the need and person's capacity, which we follow very strongly in hemophilia. Thank you very much. Stay healthy. And whenever you have time, please practice and make sure that you repeat it according to your capacity 3 to 5 times in a day.